There's
Folks, we'll be holding here for a few moments so that you can take in the sheer beauty of paradise. And also, so that our locomotive could uncouple and switch to the other end of the train for the return trip to Strasbourg. So the steam locomotive pulling our train this afternoon is old number 475, built back in 1906 when the Walton Locomotive Works in Philadelphia. It's one of the larger and more powerful locomotives we operate here on Strasbourg. It weighs in at over 200 tons, and on each trip uses more than 1,000 gallons of water and more than a half-ton of coal. The folks, that coal is shoveled one scoop at a time into the fire buckets. So if I were you, I'd wave and cheer and really give a hand to the engineer and firemen when they go past your window here in just a moment. It does make your day. And I guarantee we'll probably get a smoother ride on the way home if you do.
There he comes.
Got engineer Dave up there, and engineer and fireman Fred as well. So, a big cheer.
Here comes Norfolk Western 475. I'm gonna cheer. I'm gonna cheer for one of my favorite excursion stars. Woo! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Hello?
Don't have to mention this location, 11th Joint Event, Paradise. It's got a lot of history, and this was the main line of the former Pennsylvania Railroad.